Okay, so can you come here, please? Did you just put on my floor? Okay, can you type? Oh, no, that's wire. Okay, just type here. Okay, is that no, don't show my face. Okay, no, I'm recording. Okay, just say something. No, just go. Yes. Oh, so you wanted to paste that, right? No, right? Oh my, no, just type. Oh my. So so you no, just excuse me, can you wanted to send it? Are you done yet? No. Why are you biting the box? Okay, no. How? No, just okay, can you click send if you're done? Can you click send if you're done? Because it is okay. You are a kid that knows nothing. Okay? Okay, so can you type now? This has been 1 minute waiting. No, don't eat the tissue. No, that's not I'm pretty sure that's it that you want. Oh my, no. Okay, is that it? Yes? No? Yes? Oh yes, okay, send. No, you've messed up. No, You wanna type something again? Okay, no, or yes. No, okay, no. Just type here, okay? Because you need to type normally when you need to. Okay, okay, no, can you type now, please? Like now? No, that's okay. I'm pretty sure you oh my. Why did you just got jump scare when I didn't even did anything? Oh, that's it. That's it, Hardy Head. Is that it, Hardy Head? Yes. Okay. What? Can you bark like off or tweet? Just bark? No? Okay. Is that it? Yes? Okay, bye. Bye.
And nothing hurts anymore, I feel kind of free.